So guys, we have our sample project on. Let's import the second video. Suppose this one. Now without moving the playhead, we need to add the transition file. You can download this file from the video description. So this is our transition file. If you are editing a vertical video, you just need to rotate this file by 90 degrees. Select the second video, move to the end of the video clip. Now select the transition layer, give it same length as the video clip. Again select the transition layer, effects, add effect, search for Luma key. Standard settings, expand it, select the high. By decreasing the high parameter, we can remove the white section of our video. So change the high parameter to 0.149 and the feather 0.167. Back to the main timeline. Tab, hold on the right side of the video layer, move it over the transition layer, select the upper layer, tab on top right corner button, create clipping mask. And we are done. Let's see what we have. After we are done with our transition, we can make group and move the layer wherever we want. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.